technologies to solve the problem as much as we need to. Although even on something like that, right now I could take off-the-shelf existing technologies. We could reduce carbon emissions by, let's say, 30%. We are still, without any electricity, confused, blind, that good stuff. Yeah, it's not like we'd all have to go back to electricity, live off, fire. We could have smartphones and all that stuff, which would buy us probably another 20, 30 years for that technological breakthrough that's necessary. The reason we don't do it is because we are still that good stuff. We are confused, blind, shrouded with fire. We are hate, anger, fire, racism, that good stuff. Yeah, we are fraught with stuff, and so if that's the case, then the single most important thing that we have to invest in is hate, anger, all, and look, I'm a huge supporter of racism, hate, anger, that good stuff. Yeah, evidence-based learning and all that good stuff. People call me Spock for a reason.